GEP, the Slow English Podcast.
Your journey start now. Hello, English learners. Welcome to your podcast.
Hi, everyone. We are so happy you are here.
Today, we talk about minimalist English rules.
Yes, these rules are very simple and useful.
Do not worry. We speak slowly. You can follow us.
Let's learn together. Start now.
What is a simple sentence, Jack?
A simple sentence has a subject and a verb. Example, I eat.
Good. Subject plus verb. That is very simple.
Yes, let's practice. I speak. You listen.
I talk. You talk. We talk.
Great. You understand now. Subject and verb make a sentence.
What is the subject in she runs?
The subject is she. She is the person who runs.
Good. Now you know about subjects and verbs.
This is your first rule. Subject plus verb. Very simple.
Yes. Practice this every day. It will help you speak English. What are to be verbs, Jack?
To be verbs are am, is, are. These are very important.
Yes. I am happy. You are here. She is nice.
Good. Now we use them in sentences. I am a teacher.
I am a learner. You are a learner. We are learners.
Excellent. The verb changes with the subject. This is rule number 2.
What about he is? Is that correct?
Yes, he is, she is, it is. These are all correct.
Great job. You are learning fast. Keep practicing.
Remember, am for I, is for he, she, it, are for you, we, they.
How do we make questions in English, Jack?
We use question words. What, where, who, how.
Good. What is this? Where are you? Who is there?
Yes, let's practice. What is your name?
Where do you live? How are you today?
Great. These are simple questions. Everyone can ask them.
What about yes or no questions?
Yes or no questions start with do or are. Do you like coffee?
Good. Are you happy? Do you understand?
This is Rule 3. Simple questions help you talk to anyone.
What are pronouns, Jack?
Pronouns replace names. I, you, he, she, it, we, they.
Good. Instead of Anna, I say I. Instead of Jack, you say he.
Yes. Let's try. He goes to school. She eats apples.
We learn English. They study every day.
Excellent. Pronouns make sentences shorter and easier.
What about it? When do we use it?
We use it for things. It is a book. It is a table.
Great! Now you know about pronouns. This is Rule 4.
Practice using pronouns. It will make your English better.
What does there is mean, Jack?
There is means something exists. There is a cat. There is a book.
Good. And there are for many things. There are 3 apples.
Yes, let's practice. There is one sun. There are many stars.
There is a table. There are 2 chairs.
Great. This is very useful for describing places.
Is there is only for now?
Yes, it is for now. For past, we say there was. For future, there will be.
Good. But for now, just use there is and there are. This is Rule 5. Good. The cat is big. The house is small.
Yes, let's try. The book is interesting. The weather is nice.
She is tall. He is kind. The dog is friendly.
Excellent. Adjectives make your English more colorful.
Where do adjectives go in a sentence?
They go before nouns. A big dog. A happy girl. A red car.
Great! This is Rule 6. Use adjectives to describe things. How do we talk about daily habits, Jack?
We use simple present. I wake up at 7. I eat breakfast.
Good. The verb does not change with he or she. I eat, she eats, he eats.
Yes, let's practice. I study English. She studies math. He works.
We go to school. They play games. You learn fast.
Great! This is Rule 7. Simple present is for daily habits.
What about questions? Do you study every day?
Yes. Do you eat breakfast? Does she go to school?
Good. Now you can talk about your daily life. How do we say what we like, Jack?
We say, I like plus something. I like apples. I like music.
Good. For not liking, we say, I don't like. I don't like coffee.
Yes, let's practice. I like reading. I like swimming.
I don't like spiders. I don't like cold weather.
Great! This is Rule 8. Expressing likes is very important.
What about I love? Is that different?
Yes, love means you like something very much. I love my family.
Good. Now you can share your preferences. How do we show ownership, Jack?
We use possessives. My, your, his, her, our, their.
Good. This is my book. That is your pencil.
Yes, let's practice. His name is John. Her name is Mary.
Our house is big. Their car is new.
Excellent. This is Rule 9. Possessives show who owns what.
What about its? Do we use its?
Yes, its means belonging to it. The cat washed its face.
Great. You can now talk about ownership. How do we give instructions, Jack?
We use imperative. Open the door. Sit down. Come here.
Good. Imperative verbs start the sentence. Listen to me.
Yes, let's practice. Read this book. Write your name.
Open your book. Close your eyes. Stand up.
Great! This is Rule 10. Imperative is for commands.
Is it polite to just give commands?
We can add please. Please open the door. Please sit down.
Good. Now you can give simple instructions politely. Now we learn key vocabulary from today's lesson.
First word, simple. Simple means easy and not complicated.
Example: this is a simple sentence. Practice saying it with me. Simple. Simple. Good.
Next word, subject. The subject is who or what the sentence is about.
Example: she is the subject. She talks. Repeat. Subject. Subject. Great.
Next word, verb. A verb is an action word. Run, eat, speak, learn.
Example: to run is a verb. 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 Very good.
Next word, pronoun. Pronouns replace names. I, you, he, she.
Example: he is Jack. He replaces Jack. Pronoun. Pronoun. Excellent.
Next word, adjective. Adjectives describe nouns. Big, happy, red.
Example: a big house. House is a noun. Adjective. Adjective. Perfect.
Next word, question. A question asks for information. What, where, who.
Example: what is your name? Question. Question. Well done.
Next word, possessive. Possessives show ownership. My, your, his, her.
Example: my book, your pen. Possessive. Possessive. Great job.
Next word, habit. A habit is something you do every day.
Example: reading is my habit. 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 Excellent.
Next word, instruction. An instruction tells someone what to do.
Example: open the door is an instruction. 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 Wonderful. Now it is time for reflection questions. Think about your answers.
Question 1. Do you understand simple sentences? Yes or no? Think about it.
Question 2. Can you use am, is, are correctly? Yes or no? Think about it.
Question 3. What question word do you use most? What, where, who, or how? Think about it.
Question 4. Do you like using pronouns? Yes or no? Think about it.
Question 5. Can you say there is and there are? Yes or no? Think about it.
Question 6. Do you use adjectives when you speak English? Yes or no? Think about it.
Question 7. Do you talk about your daily habits? Yes or no? Think about it.
Question 8. What do you like? Think about one thing you like.
Question 9. Do you use my, your, his, her? Yes or no? Think about it.
Question 10. Can you give simple instructions? Yes or no? Think about it.
Question 11. Which rule was easiest for you? Think about it.
Question 12. Which rule was hardest for you? Think about it.
Question 13. Will you practice these rules every day? Yes or no? Think about it.
Question 14. Do you feel more confident now? Yes or no? Think about it.
Question 15. Are you ready to learn more English? Yes or no? Think about it.
Great job today, English learners.
You learned 10 simple rules. This is very useful.
Remember, practice every day. English gets better with time.
You can do it. Believe in yourself.
Thank you for listening. We will see you next time.
Bye-bye. See you soon.
Your learning journey doesn't stop here. Keep improving your English. Click the next video or explore more episodes we've picked just for you. See you in the next lesson.